Rút is stúlí go mai dhéann bhí dul Lunnain nach chuút mí chuúting a thuirt leún. Chun sé san áiste haíach sé glasachú mo gachaí agus stel am chola sé mé an glasachú agus Tommy agus na bailaiche seach agus a gú Martha. So ha dudamh asan ácail. An bheit dudamh a dáiseach ach gas mí cleachta is agus chóirta them.
Son na Gael, ha sinnitol sias a Chaidh Macbeth, son Macbeth David Tennent sin, achar son Kathleen chanil leitjaun.
Ha ma bhí na fást de ruta ha cho mór agus cho sudabachal the Macbeth an the Lunnain.
To be on a West End stage, being authentic, you know, we're not dialing any of this in. This all comes from the heart. And to be on stage with Kathleen, whose voice I adore, you can see the audience being moved by it. And the comments that we get afterwards about Gaelic singing. A lot of people have never heard this before. So that makes me hugely proud.
2 channels, 93 and 94.
Kathleen's voice goes into your central nervous system and it somehow links to the tradition of the past and those dead and those yet to come, and it kind of brings something alive that is very, very beautiful, and a whole tradition and a whole world. And in fact, a kind of whole culture really you hear in her presence and her singing, which is very beautiful.